The pole mount distribution transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This power distribution system is designed for overhead pole mount installations and use. With a transformer rating of 10 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 7200 and 12470 grounded Wye, and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 or 240 volt. Equipped with copper windings and a grain-oriented steel core, this single-phase transformer consists of one coil and two core loops. 10 plated terminals on the primary and secondary side accepts copper or aluminum connections. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.